Hey, what's up guys, MasterBlaster here, and welcome to a new video. Now, I was going to do a different video, but that one is taking a bit too long. So instead, I'm going to be breaking down the boss fight submission. So here we are in the scene, and yeah, it looks good, but I'm not just going to show you it, I'm gonna show you how I made it. So I loaded into the scene, and there wasn't really much to do in it. I mean, I could just play puppets. I needed to make models. I mean, I could just scroll through Mixamo, but nah, I'll make my own. So I took a cube, subdivided it, and then started sculpting from that. Just getting the base shape done and making it believable. After that, I started sculpting the nose, smoothing it out, and fixing the details. Then I started sculpting the eyes, masking it in places, and fixing the shape. Then continued with the mouth. I messed up in a few places. I made it too high, so I lowered it. Then I made it too low, masked it back up. Then I moved to the ear, moved it out, and shaped it into place. And there you go, we got our base shape. Now all we need to do is use our ghost hands to get Molly. And then, see, we're done. And people say sculpting is hard. Anyway, we don't need you anymore, Molly. And we also don't need this head. So, next is the body. There wasn't much to say about the body, just a few minor details and fixed places that need to be fixed. Add a hand. Symmetry. Okay, it's time to do what we call editing magic. Huh. Head, we need you again. And now time for weed apology. This is gonna be easy. Huh. Same thing here. And we're done. Let's do this again. Wait. There you are. Working. It's now time for working. It's easy. Just grab a Wigify wig, line it up with your model, move bones around, and wait. Do ghosts have legs? Time. I think that's a world record. Well, our wig is done. Well, let's test our wig. The fingers work. Well, we're done here. So I loaded into the scene and put my character in. Deleted the floor. Add a cube. And subdivided it. If you guys didn't know, I've been animating for 3 years. I don't mean to brag, but I'm pretty good at it. See? So I animated for about 3 hours. And I got this. What the heck? Next, I needed a boss. And there, now it looks like this. So I made a few placeholders here to put them in the scene. I placed them all down and it looks a little bit like this. Let's re-render it and see what it looks like. Then I modeled the buildings. They look pretty cool. What else do I need? What about lightning? Yep, I made lightning. Of course, as we all can tell, we all know I'm not smart enough for this. All the credit goes to Joey. But it looks pretty cool. So I placed everything down and reanimated the scene, and I didn't render this out, so you're gonna have to deal with the viewport. Looks pretty cool. Is it in real time? After this, I didn't know what else to do. Maybe add more models? So, I'm not gonna get much into detail with this, but I modeled Scratch and it didn't make the cut. So instead, I subdivided the cube and quickly modeled another model. This one will be Jinx. And a 1, and a 2, and a... We're done! There's Jinx. Pretty cool. Equipped with a face wig too. I won't go over much detail with the wig. Just the basic face wig. With some main bones too. And then we have the scythe. I actually painted the texture on myself. The topology looks good. And here's the texture. So I spent a few hours animating it, and it now looks like this. Well, okay, that's pretty much everything that I needed to do. Well, other than windowing it. Oh no, windowing. So I have everything in collections, so I can turn it on and off, mainly off. If I turn everything on, then it starts lagging a little bit. Huh, let's try windowing it. Ah, it's done. Only took 48 seconds. Yeah, I got a fix for this. Hide the background. And there, now it's faster. Time for compositing. Compositing is it's pretty easy. There you go. It's pretty easy. Just gotta do this. Anyways, let's window it. There we go. So, as this was windowing, I thought to myself, huh, I did it. There's nothing else to do. And I can now say, did I complete a short animation in 30 days? Yes. And I say that's a win, even though I didn't get top 100. So win in my book. But anyways, you guys want to see the final submission, so here you go. 366 hours of work. Oh, hey, if you stayed until the end of the video, good job! Here's the credits of all of the people who helped with this video, especially the tutorials for the lightning and the face wig. Go check them out. Links down below. They did a good job at making those videos for us to steal. And the moral of the story is, don't! Goodbye.